So friends, today I am going to show you a very simple method to maintain notes of a complicated subject. It could be any science subject or even arts or any type of subject. This technique can be used. So what I did for one of my students is I took the print of various chapters or tough chapters of the subject. I joined all the chapters in a big worksheet and then asked him to read, and really that student got very good marks. Because if you see this particular, so if I am showing you one notes set of physics, and this technique can be used by for any of the competitive exam, be it IIT, JEE or NEET or JAM or any type of such exam, it can be used. So if you see, I took the print of this circular motion notes from one of the important or very popular book, and then I joined all of them together, and then I asked him to go through by keeping in front of him whenever he is studying this particular chapter. So this is what was done. Now if you really see, the next one is center of mass. There also you can see the complete set of notes were prepared in one chart, only one chart. Okay, so like this. Then again next set of notes are there. You can see the topic of collision or Newton's law of motion, and all these things are here. Again this is notes on the same topic. You can see there rotational motion is there, right? If you really let me show you that rotational motion is there, and you can see the highlighted things over here, right? That I have circled on the important parts. Here I have highlighted with different set of color. Here you can also see the different set of color, and all these things are being used. Now the next one is on the gravitation. On gravitation you can see it is more colorful, in fact, because it's a little bit of tricky. So I used the green color to give motivation to the student when he or she goes through the notes. I am showing it again. See this gravitation, and highlighted formulas and all these things are there in this notes. Properties of liquid, you can see the name of the formula I have written. I have created the box here, then again highlighted with green. So this technique was very effective, and I am sure student will score very well, because you have all the notes in front of you in big, I would say poster type of thing, right? So you see this heat and kinetic theory of gases. So here you can see that formula have been written, marked. Okay, you can see all these things was done. Here also you can see that how it was done, right? Here also you can see. So like this, everywhere proper marking was done. See this part also, proper marking was done here. Then again you can see here that proper highlighter, not highlighter, that pen was used to write the important concepts. So if you write something in your own handwriting, even if you are taking the print or notes also, write something, highlight something the way it's being done over here, so that you memorize it properly. You will remember it for a very long time. This is on the thermodynamics, so same technique is being used here also. Then let me show you next one on the oscillation. See this, I have used arrow and pen, and all these things was done over here also. By showing the arrow, you are trying to, putting your thought there. You are showing the flow of, information there. This is on the waves. You can see here the highlighter, not highlighter, pen is being used to write the important concept. You can read here. Okay, next is again on the electrostatic. Here I have again used green to give a good feel to the student, right? Properties of charges, some highlighting is being done over here also. You can see here what is being done, marking and everything is being done in proper way. Here highlighter is being used. Here also you can see highlighter is being used, right? So like this you can create your own notes. It requires lot of efforts, I know, but it will go long way. You will remember the notes, concept, theory, everything. We have created the coil type of structure here because we are trying to understand about coil here. Okay, here you can see this. Okay, electric field is being written, box is being created. Here some arrow, some techniques have been used to remember the things in better way. Handwritten notes are also there on the top of the print which is being taken. So like this, try to create your own notes, use boxes, use highlighter, use formulas, use pen, pencil, color, whatever you way you want it. That will really have a long lasting impact on the your study, your subject. So same technique, if you are preparing for IIT, JEE, NEET, JAM, anything, you can use it for your purpose.